When someone betrays you or tricks you out of your trust, something inside you changes. It is not just your wallet that hurts after a scam. It is not just your heart that hurts after betrayal. It is your mind. You begin to question everything. You ask yourself, how did I not see it? Was I too naive? Can I ever trust anyone again? These questions replay over and over, keeping you awake at night. But what if I told you that the biggest mistake after betrayal isn't being fooled? The biggest mistake is allowing that betrayal to define who you become. Betrayal is one of the deepest emotional wounds a person can experience because it comes from someone you trusted. A stranger cannot betray you in the same way. A scammer, a dishonest friend, a cheating partner, or even a family member first earns your trust before breaking it. That is why the pain cuts so deeply. Your brain is designed to build trust because trust helps people survive. Without trust, no friendships, families, or communities could exist. But when that trust is shattered, your brain goes into survival mode. Psychologists have found that emotional betrayal activates many of the same areas of the brain as physical pain. Being deceived does not automatically mean you are foolish. It often means you are human. The same is true in personal relationships. Betrayal rarely happens because someone is too trusting. It happens because another person chooses to abuse that trust. Understanding this difference is one of the first steps toward healing. Another reason betrayal hurts so much is because it changes how you see yourself. Before the betrayal, you believed you were a good judge of character. Afterward, you begin to doubt every decision you make. You stop trusting your own instincts. Many people respond by building emotional walls. They promise themselves they will never trust anyone again. If no one gets close, no one can hurt you. Healthy caution asks questions, notices patterns, and takes time before trusting. Fear assumes everyone is dangerous. If one person lies to you, you begin noticing every lie. If one friend betrays you, you become suspicious of every friend. Some people never apologize for what they did. Some scammers disappear forever. Some betrayers act like nothing happened. If your healing depends on their apology, you give them power they do not deserve. Healing begins when you realize that your peace no longer depends on their behavior. You can't even trust someone complimenting you without suspecting a hidden motive. Someone offering help makes you wonder what they're after. This reaction is normal after emotional injury, but it shouldn't become permanent. The strongest people aren't those who never get hurt. They're the ones who refuse to let pain turn them into someone they were never meant to be. They continue loving, continue growing, and continue believing in the goodness of others. Sometimes experience changes you without tearing you apart. So instead of separating me into two, why not use everything as in the concentric cam, thus consumpert point alpha ramp boost gesture? When painful memories return, remember, you've survived, and you're still here. Your future isn't determined by the person who betrayed you. It's determined by the choices you make. Do not let betrayal steal your ability to live, to love, and to hope again. Protect your heart, learn your lessons, trust wisely instead of fear, and keep moving forward. The greatest victory isn't getting revenge. The greatest victory is refusing to let betrayal control who you become.